Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 2, and we have a winner, but we really don't. The other day I went out to the shop of Jason Ramm, and if you didn't watch part 1, I'll put a link to this at the bottom of the video, how to turn this picture, a color picture of a black dog that I would have never tried probably. And this is what Jason did on his computer. Well, he actually did it on my computer of a dog. And if you look at it really close, you can see, if I zoom in at just the picture, I took it with my phone, it just doesn't do it any justice. Well, I didn't take this picture, but you can see the hair. I put it through Photograve when I got home to my shop. Now, Photograve is $400. And I've had it for 17 years and I love it. I don't have the patience to learn the settings and what Jason did. So here's Photograve's version of that same dog. I ran them exactly the same power, the same speed. And I went with Jason's a knowledgeable, him and his wife, Deanna, are really knowledgeable. They've taught classes in Las Vegas on how to do this. And they can do it to any photo, but every photo is going to be a little bit different. Where Photograve is easy. And I'm not saying either one of these pictures won or lost. They're just a little bit different. But he used 38 speed, 30 power at $300 per inch. I did that exact same thing. On his photograph, I used Stucky, which is a digitizing process in the laser. I ran mine without this because Photograve actually digitizes that, or dithering, or whatever they want to call it. So I did the exact same stuff, but I just used standard engraving. So this is mine under Photograve. And, Jason's picture looks better now. If you look, mine has more dots and everything, but in these two pictures, mine is the dog, and I use the same piece of acrylic, the same laser, the same settings. Jason's sent me this scrap piece, or sent me home with this scrap piece. And sorry the pictures aren't the same. I tried to get them with a light bulb from my ceiling. My dog is darker, but I'm not going to say it's any better. His dog, if I hadn't run this one, I would have been very impressed with this. If I had just run this, I would have been very impressed with it. So there's really no winner or loser. If you look at I'm going to look at the nose. My nose is just a little bit dark. And when you zoom in, you can't do it justice on either one of the pictures. I'm a big fan of Photograve. It is so easy. I've got a lot of videos on Photograve, and I'm not committed to Photograve. I don't make any money off their product. I just have it. I bought it 17 years ago, and they're good people. Whenever I have to upgrade my computer, no questions asked. They just send me a newer version. So the dogs are a little bit different, but this is free. If you have Corel Draw, this is $400. I would have never tried a black dog, like I said. And in Photograve, actually, I was really impressed when I got home. I actually had a setting for black painted acrylic, that's what this is. It's a piece of black acrylic. Now, both these pictures were taken from the reverse side because it's just etching off the paint. So, I really ought to take better pictures with a really good camera, because both of them look great. My tongue of my dog might look a little bit better, but if you look at, here they are side by side, that hair that's sticking out right there on his face. So if you like playing around with this, watch Jason's video that he just made, or attend one of his classes in Las Vegas. We're actually both teaching classes this August down in Houston at Engraving Concepts. I think it's August 1st. And if you'll I'll put my email at the bottom of the address if you want more information on those classes. I'm doing Corel class and a bling class, and he's doing a photo class. So you could, he might even take a photo out of the audience because he did that in Las Vegas. I would never do that. Now I would maybe use Photograve on somebody's picture, but I mean, if you look at this dog for a laser engraver to make it look like that, I mean, it's pretty remarkable, either one of them. So there's really no first place. I really think it's a tie. Mine might be a little bit darker. The dog's darker. If you look at here, the background's kind of the same. The leash is kind of the same. Anyway, so I'll put a link to to my video that showing the classes and my email if you have any more questions. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.